How to fix YouTube full screen problem. Hello friends, in today's video I will tell you step by step how to fix YouTube full screen problem. First of all, you have to go to the home screen of your mobile phone. After that, here you have to open the settings. Now here you have to search YouTube in settings. After that you have to click on YouTube icon. Now here you have to click on storage and cache. After clicking on that, here you have to click on clear cache in the right bottom. Now here you have to open YouTube again, then here you can see the full screen problem has been fixed. Now here you have to click on the simple full screen icon, then your problem will be solved.